Contestant number 5, Miss SNS USA, Sinivia Kulena Violeti Tua Vau. The traditional PULETAHA is a graceful symbol of Tongan heritage, modesty, and womanhood. This two-piece outfit, featuring a tunic and a wrap skirt, has been worn by Tongan women for generations, expressing cultural identity with elegance and pride. As a standout example of the PULETAHA is often seen at church gatherings, family events, and even international runways. The Tongan traditional clothing PULETAHA continues to evolve in design while honouring its deep cultural roots. The origins, craftsmanship, cultural relevance, and modern-day transformation, revealing why it remains a timeless emblem of Tongan identity, both at home and across the globe. Tonight, I have chosen a bit of light yellow lime colour silk material for my PULETAHA wear, made to fit. Surrounded by coconut shells, when used in dressmaking, offer a unique rustic aesthetic and can be incorporated in various ways, from buttons and embellishments to structural elements. They are a sustainable and eco-friendly material, often chosen for their natural beauty and durability. Tied around my waist is an ornamental girdle around the waist, which is called kie, made of coconut husky. Within the center is a coconut shell, mainly worn by women on semi-formal occasions around the waist. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your contestant number 5, Miss SNS USA, Sinivia Kulena Violeti Tua Vau.